welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live series part 5. In this video, I will show you how you can add friends in Bigo Live application and explore more. To get started, open your Bigo Live application first. Now click on the search icon at the top of the screen to go to the search bar. Before adding friends, you will need their Bigo ID to easily find them. Here, enter the Bigo ID of the person. Once you find the person, click on it and below you will see follow option. Click on that and it will change to following. Now if this person follows you back, you will be friend with them. Also, if someone follows you and you follow them back like this, you will be able to be friends with them. So this is how you add friends on Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.